Morning everybody, my name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So the first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Dogecoin, you guys. We're up almost 2% for the morning. I'm going to try to push out all the stocks that I'm going to break down this morning before the market opens, so that way I'm able to trade live for you guys. I wasn't able to actually look it up online how to do the actual streaming, so I might have to do a pre-recording like I did last week. But let's go ahead and dive in. So as of right now, we can see on the daily interval, we're always starting at the higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to apply multiple time frame analysis to get the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. This helps us find our trend lines, our entries, our exit points, basically everything that we need to actually trade. Okay, so as of right now, we can see that we're overextended, you guys. We're up almost four green bar candlesticks. We first start with this initial igniting candlestick, and then we're pumping all the way up into our previous resistance up here at the 40.82. So I wouldn't doubt that we would actually come up into this 40.82 area, and then from there see that pullback that we're looking for. And that pullback will more than likely be back to the opposite side of our resistance, which is back down here, which can be tested. We can see these two candlesticks that were rejected in this area. We see this candlestick rejected in this area, one bouncing on the opposite side, which is this one working as support, and then ultimately this last candlestick over here. Okay, so don't mind this. Let me get rid of this one so it doesn't confuse you guys. And then down here was our major support line. This was back last week when I was explaining when we were riding right on this support level to either get your entry in then and have your stop loss on the opposite side, have your target back up here at the 33-cent level, which ultimately we hit that, you guys, with this single igniting candlestick. So that was an awesome move. So but as of right now, getting in would be pretty much FOMO. Because we're just super extended. Yes, we're above the trend line. Yes, we're in an upward trend. However, you guys, we're up almost 2% for today, and we're up 4 candlesticks, all green, you guys. We need at least a 50% retracement. You're not going to run a full marathon and then run another one right after that, you guys. You're going to want to take at least a nice break and then continuing your trend, okay? So where would be the ideal area for this to pull back into? Well, with our tested support line right here, this is more than likely the best area for us to get in, is if after we pull back, or if we do pull back. Okay, so like I said, more than likely we will push up back up into the 41-cent area or the 40-cent area. This is the highest previous resistance area that's been tested, so more than likely we'll come up here and then pull back down to this level, which is perfectly normal, you guys. If we come back down to this 33-cent area, excuse me, area, that would make an ideal entry. Have your stop loss on the opposite side. I'd probably have mine underneath this specific candlestick, so like 3 pennies below the actual initial entry. What that does is it gives you enough wiggle room just in case if there's a candlestick wick that breaks below this area, that you won't ultimately get tagged out if it does continue higher. But if it does drop below that and does tag you out, that lets you know that, hey, at least I'm out and I can wait for a better entry. So before this broke out, I was hoping that this would actually get rejected in this area and pushed back down to the 28 or 27 cent area. That was where I was going to get in for today, for Monday. But over the weekend, we obviously broke above this resistance line and now are pumping up. So like I said, as of right now, we're waiting for the best entry, and that'll be if we can pull back down to this 33-cent area. Like I said, more than likely we'll push up to the 41-cent area before pulling back. We still can pull back right now, but I'm just saying that because we have this resistance right here. If we do break above this for whatever reason, this 42-cent or 40-cent area, I'll make an update the following morning tomorrow, explaining the next best ideal entry. But as of right now, I hope this helped you guys. I like to make these videos and break down these charts as fast and as efficient as possible, you guys. If I did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content Monday through Friday for you guys. And then stick around for the other charts that I'm breaking down this morning, and then me trading live, okay? Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.